Hey guys, what's up with another video? You're probably like, Henry, where are you? Well, I am in the doghouse. I built dogs and Sarah, but Joey's in here, and me and Sarah murdered Joey. Mostly I murdered Joey, okay? Just take a look for yourself. That's Joey. Got him from a... Bro, I put this dude down a chimney. I put him, I'll show you what I did to him. I'm so surprised. I like Joey. Joey's my best friend now. I fixed him up. You know, I could sew him in his crotches. I could sew your crotch, Joey. It's alright. So no nose. Like right here. Yeah, we actually burned him. We actually did. I feel so bad for Joey. Like, me and Joey and you guys are gonna have fun. And I got a new gaming chair. It's my first gaming chair. Like, over. Joey! How did look what Joey did. Joey, get through there. No. Joey. Joey, get, no. Yeah, Joey. Ow, Joey. Ow. Joey, this is how you do it. Yeah. Landing on your face. What the? Scared me off the lizard. But this is the doghouse we built. I built. Me and Sarah built. That's a wagon. Oh, what is that? Comment down below if you know what that is. Like there's something on it. Smells. I'm gonna put this piece of wood back on it. I could have went through the doggy door, but still. Look how... What? I spelled dog poop. How small the doggy door is. And I'm like 6, 8, 9, 10 feet tall. No, I'm kidding. I'm 100 feet tall. No, I'm kidding. I'm like 4'8". 4 feet 5. I don't know. I don't want to talk about that. Let's go on a trampoline, y'all. I'm gonna kick Joey. Let's jump with Joey. We're jumping with Joey. Hi, what you doing? Hi. It's a jumping Joey. I'm gonna front flip with Joey. This is hard because he's kind of heavy. I'm sorry. I meant to throw Joey at the camera, but I kind of missed. Ready? I'll do it again. Joey! The camera! I'm sorry, guys, the camera. The camera. Okay, you want to see my actual hair? Oh, that was... That's what... Oh my God, I have a restricted hairline. It's so bright.